So let's start to look how we can create our pointer on a half donut chart in chart.js 4. So let's create the pointer for a half donut chart. Right now we have a full donut chart here, and this part, if you want to get the full source code for this, check out my Patreon. Of course, you have questions, put it on Discord. And it's based on this video here on how to create a target pointer for a donut chart, if ever you want to see that one. So we already have the foundation. What we want to do is now change this, because what happened if we do a half donut chart? So let's make it first half. And then what we're going to do here, in this data set here, we're going to say rotation, or well, let's say here, a circumference to draw the circle. We say we want only a half circle. Save that, refresh, there we are. Let's rotate this now. And what we want to do is we want to rotate it basically 75% going here, so that's 270 degrees. So we say rotation equals 270, save that. There we are. So now we have that here, and if you don't want the white space between here, we can remove that as well. Scroll down here, and then what we can say here in the item here, we say here, what is that, the aspect ratio, that's the one we want, and we're going to say this will be 2. That will be, the width will be 2 and the height will be 1. If I refresh there, that looks much better. Now let's reposition that one to the right value, because right now we have a pointer value of 50, and if you look at the total value here, it is 5 by this, so that would mean that's 25%. It is basically in the correct position on a full circle, but not if we are starting here. So if I want to have this, let's make sure that that will be 2.5%. hitting this point here as well. So that will mean I need the value of 5. So let's go down here, put the value of 5 in here, save that, refresh. So now it's on 5 here, but we need to go here. So what we're going to do is move that more here, but we just need to recalculate the starting point, that is this point, which is negative 90 degrees. So what we're going to do here is the following. We're going to look for here. We have the target pointer. First of all, we're going to say here, this will be 180 degrees. Save that, refresh. Alright, so it did a movement, but we need to now move that more. So what I'm going to say here, once you did the calculation, I want to go back 90 degrees more. So we say minus 90 degrees, save that, refresh, there we are. So now if I say this will be 5%, 5, that will be 10. So it will be double the values. This will be 5%, but that is double the value. There we are. Just cross-check this by saying here now, this will be 10, but this needs to be 90 then, because it's a total of 200. Refresh. There we are, and this works nicely.